Welcome students, myself Shubhajit Dev. I am the vocational trainer of electronics at Baravisha High School HS Alipurduar, and my training provider is Orion EduTech Private Limited. So with this short intro, let's roll the intro. In this video, students, we are going to learn about different electrical motors and their applications. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before discussing the entire topic, we have to know about motor. So the first question arises, what is motor? An electric motor is a rotating device or electrical machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy or motion energy. Now let's focus on our main topic, which is type of motor and their applications. There are basically three types of motor do exist in our entire electrical system. The first one is AC motor or alternating current motor. The second one is DC motor or direct current motor, and the third or the final one is special motor. Now, AC motor is divided into two categories. The first one is synchronous motor, or we can say constant speed motor, and the second one is asynchronous motor or induction motor. Now, let's discuss about the first topic, which is synchronous motor. A synchronous motor is the type of motor in which the rotating speed of rotor is same as the rotating speed of magnetic field, or we can say that a synchronous electric motor is an AC motor in which at steady state the rotation of the shaft is synchronized with the frequency of the supply current. Synchronous motor is used for industrial purpose power factor improvement in different power plants. Besides this, it is also used for applications where precise and constant speed is required for operation, like paper printing machine, ball mills, clocks, and record players. These are the few applications of synchronous motor. Now the second part of the AC motor is asynchronous motor, or you can say as induction motor. Induction motor is the most widely used motor in electrical industry. Also we can divide induction motor into two different types. The first one is squirrel cage induction motor and the second one is slip ring induction motor. The squirrel cage and slip ring induction motor is named after its rotor or rotating part of the motor. In case of slip ring induction motor, a slip ring is situated on the rotor and this slip ring provides a high torque, which is very much helpful for hosting or lifting operations. Induction motor is widely used in electric weight lifting machine, boiler pump, electric rail engine, water pump, AC fans and air conditioners, etc. Now we have come to our second part of the electrical motor types, which is DC motor or direct current motor. DC motor is categorized into four different types. Number 1, DC series motor. DC series motor is operated on permanent load or fixed load. The second one is DC shunt motor. DC shunt motor is the maximum used DC motor in DC motor industry. The third one is DC compound motor. Nowadays, this type of motor is not used for any kind of DC motor related operations. And the fourth one is permanent magnet DC motor. This type of motor rotates at a very high speed due to the use of permanent magnet. The major advantage of DC motor are the easy speed and torque regulation. DC series motor is used in electrical lifter and elevators used in malls. DC shunt motor is used in DC fans and lathe machines. Previously, DC compound motor is used in old electric railway engines, and permanent magnet DC motor is used in toy cars and computer fans and drives. Now we have come to our final segment of motor types, which is special motor. Special motor is divided into four different types. They are: number 1, universal motor, number 2 stepper motor, number 3 servo motor, and the fourth one is brushless DC motor. Now, the universal motor is a type of electric motor that can operate on either AC or DC power and uses an electromagnet as its stator to create its magnetic field. Universal motor is widely used in hand-powered drill machines, washing machines and blowers, mixer, grinder, juicer and different type of kitchen appliances. Stepper motor is the second motor of special motor category. It cannot run at high speed but have a high holding torque, so it is used for precise positioning with a fixed movement or rotation. Stepper motors are widely used in hard disk drives, surgical microscopes and telescopes, antennas, ventilators, and blood circulation scanners. The third special category motor type is servo motor. A servo motor is a rotary actuator or linear actuator that allows for precise control of angular or linear position, velocity, and acceleration. A servo motor is always operated with a VFD module, where VFD is basically a variable frequency drive. It's a type of motor controller that drives an electric motor by varying the frequency and voltage supplied to the electric motor. Mainly, servo motors are used in robotics technology for making robots. Besides this, it is also used in automated manufacturing unit. The brushless DC motor is very much useful in modern days work. As we all know that DC motor is more power efficient than the AC motor, but main drawback of the DC motor is that DC motor needs regular maintenance. That's why the maintenance cost is higher, and in this regard I also want to mention that the main part of its maintenance is changing the brush of DC motor, but in case of brushless DC motor there is no need to change the brush at regular interval, so its efficiency is very much higher than the other motors, and at the same time the weight is also very less. That's why the brushless DC motor is somehow called the or known as the future motor. In modern days, brushless DC motor is widely used in various sectors such as number 1 industries, number 2 automobiles, number 3 public life appliances, number 4 transportation, number 5 domestic equipments, number 6 aerospace and defense equipments, number 7 power tools and toys, number 8 vision and sound devices, number 9 in artificial intelligence and information technology systems, and number 10 medical and healthcare equipments. Enjoy the video and save energy in daily life.